Hello and welcome. Students, we continue our discussion on the topic of principle of mathematical induction. Today we will be discussing questions on divisibility. Yesterday it was sum of series. So the first one, we have to prove that this expression 3 raised by 2n plus 7 is divisible by 8 for all n which are natural numbers. The steps remain the same. So this is how we proceed. We will prove the result by using principle of mathematical induction. There are 3 steps once again. In the first step, it's to prove the result true for n is equal to 1. So that is 3 raised per 2 plus 7, this is 9 plus 7, 16, and 16 is 8 into 2. This is divisible by 8. So we can say this is divisible by 8. Therefore the result is true for n is equal to 1. Therefore the result is true for n is equal to 1. The second step, here again we assume the result to be true for n is equal to k. So we write assume the result to be true for n is equal to k. That is 3 raised per 2k plus 7 is divisible by 8. If this expression is divisible by 8, this will be 8 times some lambda. So from this we can write 3 raised per 2k as 8 lambda minus 7. The third step. In the third step, we have to prove the result true for n is equal to k plus 1. To prove the result true for n is equal to k plus 1. So this will be 3 raised per 2 into k plus 1 and plus 7. This can be written 3 raised per 2k into 3 raised per 2 and plus 7. Value of 3 raised per 2k obtained from second step, this is inserted here. 3 square is 9 plus we have 7. So this is 8 into 9 lambda minus 63 plus 7. This is 8 into 9 lambda and minus 56. So taking 8 common, this is 9 lambda minus 7. This is 8 into something. So this is divisible by 8. So can we write here, therefore the result is true. The result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. And the last line, hence by principle of mathematical induction, the result is true for all n which belong to set of natural numbers. That is true for all natural numbers. The second question, we have to prove 5 raised per 2n plus 2 minus 24n minus 25. This is a multiple of 576. So again we will prove the result true for n is equal to 1. So that's first step. This will be 5 raised per 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 24 minus 25. This is 625 minus 49. It's 576, which is a multiple of 576. Second step, we assume the result true for n is equal to k. That's 5 raised per 2k plus 2 minus 24k minus 25. This is equal to 576 into lambda. This gives us 5 raised per 2k plus 2 as 576 lambda plus 24k and plus 25. Third step, we have to prove the result true for n is equal to k plus 1. This is 5 raised to power 2 into k plus 1 plus 2 minus 24 into, this is k plus 1 minus 25. This is 5 raised to power 2k plus 2 plus 2 minus 24k minus 25 minus 24 minus 25. So since from the second step we have value of 5 raised to power 2k plus 2, so we write this as 5 raised to power 2k plus 2 into 5 raised to power 2 minus 24k minus 49. Now we substitute value of 5 raised to power 2k plus 2 here. It's 576 lambda plus 24k plus 25 whole multiplied by 5 square, that's 25 minus 24k minus 49. This can be written 576 into lambda into 25, 24 into 25, this is 600k, then 25 into 25, this is plus 625, minus this is 24k and this is minus 49. This is 576 lambda into 25, 600 minus 24 is 576, this is k plus 576. This is 576 into 25 plus k plus this is 25 lambda plus k plus this is 24. So it's 576 into something, this means it's a multiple of 576. So therefore the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Hence by principle of mathematical induction, this result is true for all n which belong to set of natural numbers. In the third one, we have to prove that this expression, this is divisible by 25. So we will use principle of mathematical induction to prove this. The first step is we prove the result true for n is equal to 1. It's 7 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power, this is 0, 3 raised to power 0. This is 1 into 1, so this is 49 plus 1, this is 50. 50 is 25 into 2, therefore it's divisible by 25. The second step, we assume that when n is k, this result is true, 3k minus 3 into 3 raised to power k minus 1. This is divisible by 25 means it's 25 into lambda. So from this we can write 7 raised to power 2k as 25 lambda minus 2 raised to power 3k minus 3 into 3 raised to power k minus 1. The third step, we have to prove the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. This is 7 raised to power 2 into k plus 1 plus 2, this is 3 into k plus 1 minus 3, 3 raised to power, this is k plus 1 and minus 1. So we will rewrite in such a way this expression that exponent of 7 is 2k, exponent of 2 is 3k minus 3 and exponent of 3 is k minus 1, so that we can use the result assumed in the second step. So we rewrite this as 7 raised to power 2k into 7 raised to power 2 plus this is 2 raised to power, we need 3k minus 3, this is 3k plus 3 minus 3, so it's 3k minus 3 into 2 raised to power 3, then into 3 raised to power, we need k minus 1 here, we have k plus 1 minus 1, so this is k minus 1 into 3 raised to power 1. Now substitute value of 7 raised to power 2k. 7 raised to power 2k is 25 lambda minus 2 raised power 3k minus 3 into 3 raised power k minus 1 whole multiplied by 7 square, which is 49. 2 raised power 3 is 8 into 324 into 2 raised power 3k minus 3 into 3 raised power k minus 1. Let's multiply. This is 25 lambda into 49 minus 49 into 2 raised power 3k minus 3 3 raised power k minus 1 and plus 24, it's 2 raised power 3k minus 3 into 3 raised power k minus 1. 25 lambda into 49 minus 49 plus 24 is minus 25 into 2 raised power 3k minus 3 3 raised power k minus 1. From these two we can take 25 common. It's 25 into something. This means it's divisible by 25. So therefore the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Hence by principle of mathematical induction, the result is true for all n which belong to set of natural numbers. The next one, we have to prove that 11 raised power n plus 2 plus 12 raised power 2n plus 1, this is a multiple of 133. So we'll write that we'll prove the result by using principle of mathematical induction. Step 1. Step 1 we write to prove the result true for n is equal to 1. We don't write we put n is equal to 1. Prove the result true for n is equal to 1. 11 raised power this is 3 plus 12 raised power this is 3. This is 121 into 11, this is 144 into 12. This is 1331 and plus this is, so let us add, this will be 30 and 61. So let's see if 3061 is divisible by 133. This is 266. Sorry, this is 3069. 3059, sorry. So 266, this will be 9 and this is 399. This is 3, so 399. So this is 133 into 23. Therefore this is a multiple of 133. This is result true for n is equal to 1. Second step, we assume that this result holds when n is equal to k, that is 11 raised per k plus 2 plus 12 raised per 2k plus 1, this is equal to 133 into lambda. From this we can find out value of this or this. Let's find out value of 11 raised per k plus 2, 133 lambda minus 12 raised per 2k plus 1. Now we have to prove the result true for n is equal to k plus 1. So that is third step. 11 raised per k plus 1 plus 2 plus 12 raised per 2 into k plus 1 and plus 1. We have to prove that this is a multiple of 133. So again we'll use the result assumed in the second step to prove this. This is 11 raised per, we have k plus 2, 11 raised per k plus 2. So we write k plus 2, we don't write k plus 3, we write k plus 2 into 11 raised per 1. Similarly, in the second step we have 12 raised per 2k plus 1. So we write this is 2k plus 2 plus 1, we write 2k plus 1 into 12 raised per 2. Now substitute value of 11 raised per k plus 2. It's 133 lambda minus 12 raised per 2k plus 1 into we have 11 plus 12 square is 144, 12 raised per this is 2k plus 1. This is 133 into 11 lambda minus 11 into 12 raised power 2k plus 1 plus 144 into 12 raised power 2k plus 1. Combining these, this is 133 into 11 lambda minus 11 plus 144 is plus 133 into 12 raised power 2k plus 1. This is 133 into something. So this proves it's a multiple of 133. So therefore result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Hence by principle of mathematical induction, the result holds for all natural numbers. We write for all n which belong to set of natural numbers. The next one, we have to prove x raised power 2n minus y raised power 2n is divisible by x plus y. So we will prove the result by using principle of mathematical induction, and that is done in 3 steps. First step is we prove the result true for n is equal to 1. This will be x raised power 2 minus y raised power 2, which is x plus y into x minus y. Therefore it's divisible by x plus y, hence the result is true for n is equal to 1. In the second step, we assume the result is true for n is equal to k. That's x raised power 2k minus y raised power 2k. This is equal to lambda into x plus y. And third step, we have to prove the result true for n is equal to k plus 1. That's x raised power 2 into k plus 1 minus y raised power 2 into k plus 1. This is x raised power 2k into x raised power 2. This is y raised power 2. This can be written x raised power 2k into x square, or we can substitute value of x raised power 2k from this. It's lambda into x plus y raised power 2k. Substitute this value. This is now lambda into x plus y and plus this is y raised power 2k into this is x square minus y raised power 2k into y square. This is lambda into x square into x plus y. This is y raised power 2k into x square minus y raised power 2k into y square. This is lambda x square into x plus y. Taking y raised power 2k common, it's x square minus y square. This is lambda x square into x plus y raised power 2k. This is x plus y into x minus y. Then we take x plus y common. Inside it's lambda x square plus this is y raised power 2k into x minus y. X plus y outside means this expression is divisible by x plus y. So therefore the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Hence by principle of mathematical induction, the result is true for all n which belong to set of natural numbers. Question number 6. We have to prove by using principle of mathematical induction the sum of cubes of 3 consecutive natural numbers is divisible by 9. So let us assume 3 consecutive natural numbers as, let the numbers be n, n plus 1, n plus 2. So cubes of 3, this means cube of first plus cube of second and plus cube of third. So this is this is sum of cubes of 3 consecutive natural numbers. We have to prove that this is divisible by 9. We will use principle of mathematical induction to prove this. Step 1. To prove the result true for n is equal to 1, this is 1 cube, 2 cube is 8, this is 3 cube 27, this is 36, this is 9 into 4 divisible by 9. In the second step, we assume that this result holds, that is, this holds for n is equal to k cube, k plus 1 whole cube, k plus 2 whole cube. This is equal to 9 into lambda. In the third one, we have to prove the result true for n is equal to k plus 1, that is, k plus 1 whole cube, k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2 whole cube plus k plus 3 whole cube. We have to prove that this is divisible by 9. So from this result, second step, this gives us a k plus 1 whole cube plus k plus 2 whole cube. This is equal to 9 lambda minus its k cube. So we replace this by 9 lambda minus k cube, plus we have k plus 3 whole cube, which is k cube plus 3 cube, which is 27, plus 3ab into a plus b. Simplifying, this is 9 lambda minus k cube plus 27 plus this is 9 k square plus 27 k. This will cancel out. So we can take 9 common. It's lambda plus 3 and plus k square and plus this is 3k. So 9 outside means this is divisible by 9. Therefore the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Hence by principle of mathematical induction, this is true for all n which belong to set of natural numbers. The last one, we have to prove that this expression n into n plus 1 into n plus 5, this is a multiple of 3. So here also we will use principle of mathematical induction to prove the result. Same 3 steps. First step, we prove the result true for n is equal to 1. This is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 5, this is 6, this is 12, this is 3 into 4. This is a multiple of 3. Second step, we assume the result to be true for n is equal to k. That is, we assume this is equal to 3 lambda, multiple of 3. Third step, we have to prove the result true for n is equal to k plus 1. So we have to prove k plus 1, k plus 1 plus 1, that is k plus 2, k plus 1 plus 5, k plus 6. We have to prove that this is also a multiple of 3. So let's write, this is k plus 1. Let me write like this, k plus 2 into k plus 6. I have written k plus 2 like this. Now, what is a into b plus c into d? Distributive property. This can be written a into b into d plus a into c into d. So this is this into this into this, k plus 1 into k plus 6 plus k plus 1 into 2, k plus 1 into 2 into k plus 6. This can further be written k into k plus 1. Now k plus 6 is k plus 5 and plus 1. This is plus 2, multiply, this is k square plus 7k plus 6. This is k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 and plus k into k plus 1 into 1 using the same distributive property, plus this is 2k square plus 14k plus 12. Now this can be written 3 lambda. So we have split up this expression in such a way that we get result obtained assumed in the second step, so that this can be written equal to 3 lambda. So this is 3 lambda, plus we have k square plus k, and plus this is 2k square plus 14k plus 12. That's 3 lambda plus 3k square plus 15k and plus 12. This is 3 times this. So this is divisible by 3. Hence, by principle of mathematical induction, this result holds for all n which belong to set of natural numbers. So if you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp your problems to this number 622, this is 78 94174 62278. Thank you.